If your jawline is softening and it's starting to sag, it's not just aging. It's actually inflammation, it's hormones, and it's circulation that's talking here. The good news is that you can reverse it naturally. You don't have to do surgery. You don't have to do endless workouts. Today, I'm walking you through 6 powerful fixes that will help to tighten the neck, sharpen your jawline, and actually reset the body systems that caused all of this in the first place. Number 1 is a hydration reset. Most people live in a dehydrated state, or if they're not dehydrated, they're actually overhydrated but mineral deficient, which is basically the same thing. The body does not like this imbalance. And when this occurs, it makes the body trap water under the chin and around your neckline. So what you want to do to prevent this is to start your morning with about 16 ounces of filtered water or spring water, and then add a pinch of sea salt or some kind of electrolyte mix into your water so that you actually stay hydrated. This is going to help rebalance the sodium to potassium ratios. It's going to help flush your lymph system, and it's going to visibly depuff your jawline within days. Now, if you find it is difficult for you to stay hydrated, you just do not like the taste of plain water, maybe you have tried adding a pinch of sea salt, a squeeze of lemon, and it just doesn't do the trick. You need more flavor in your water. Then you should check out Dr. Ashley Wellness Electrolyte Mix. I actually created this mix of electrolytes to support your body during a fat loss journey. So check that out. Go over to the link in the description and we will have a special discount code just for you. Number 2 is breathe through your nose and not your mouth. I know it sounds odd, but research shows that mouth breathing specifically through the night actually reshapens the lower part of your face. It does this by collapsing the tongue muscles and stretching your jaw muscles. Chronic night mouth breathers, especially if you breathe through your mouth day and night, actually have elongated faces and early neck sagging. So it is very best if you can switch to nasal breathing throughout the day. Just maybe set an alarm on your phone for every hour and just check in. Are you breathing through your mouth? Are you breathing through your nose? And if you need it throughout the night because it's really hard to assess yourself and change habits, you can use some gentle mouth tape to keep your mouth closed, and it is hugely helpful. For a lot of people, it actually prevents snoring and helps them sleep deeper. So check out mouth tape. There's something about nasal breathing that helps to boost nitric oxide in the body. It helps to improve oxygen delivery. It tightens fascia, and it helps to calm stress hormones that cause fat storage under the chin. If you think about it, when we're in a calm, relaxed state, what do? We generally breathe through our nose. So nasal breathing does trigger the body to feel like it's in more of a calm state. So definitely check that out. Number 3 is to focus on lymphatic drainage massage. There are a ton of lymph nodes that live underneath your jawline. When they're congested, the fluid collects, and as a result, the jawline starts to sag. What you can do each morning is warm up your hands and then gently sweep your hands from the collarbone up to the jawline about 10 times per side to get that lymph moving. And then for extra benefit, you could apply a small amount of castor oil or use red light therapy after. There is actually a tool, and I don't remember the name of it. I obviously have no affiliation with it, but I will provide a link to it if I can in the description. And it is a red light type of tool that helps to move the lymph and fluid up away from your jawline. So super interesting. Research shows that it's pretty darn effective. So I'll try to share that with you. You can, again, just use your hands and a little castor oil, and it will help to move toxins out. It can reduce puffiness and bring oxygen-rich blood to your skin. All good things. Number 4 is the double chin detox. What we basically need to do is we need to control insulin. And many of my videos, actually every single one of them, have an underlying focus of helping you reduce your insulin levels. Now, a double chin often isn't fat. It's actually high insulin. It's the result of high insulin coursing through the body all the time. Now, these specific fat cells have extra insulin receptors. So every time blood sugar spikes, it drives storage right under the jaw. So the ultimate goal when we think about the foods that we want to eat to reduce this double chin is protein-rich, protein-forward meals, cut back on the refined carbs and the seed oils, and then practice a 12 12 to 14 hour fast over the night to help balance insulin. Now, a 12 to 14 hour fast might sound scary, but it's really not. Think about it. It's finishing your dinner at 7 p.m. and then not eating until 7 a.m. the next morning. So basically, you're just sleeping through this fast, which makes it pretty darn simple. Now, if this does sound difficult to you, you can get there. I promise you. And I have seen it so many times with clients who come into PhD weight loss where they're like, oh my gosh, I have to eat before dinner. I wake up hungry. I go eat throughout the night. So if this is you, you are not alone. But if this is you, this means you need to create big changes in your metabolism because it shouldn't be this way. You should not feel this way. If you feel like you need to eat every 2 to 3 hours or you cannot survive, that is a sign of metabolic damage. The good news is you can reverse this and we can help you. You should definitely check out myphdweightloss.com. You can head into the description here and we'll provide a link. We're going to guide you to give us a call so that we can schedule you with one of our nutritionists. You will get on a call with them. It's a fat loss strategy session where we learn about you, what's going on with your body, and create a customized plan. We will tell you exactly what, when, how much to eat to go through this double chin detox to help you drop the weight that has been bothering you for so long. Most of our men drop about 3 to 4 pounds per week. Most of our women 2 to 2.5 pounds per week. And the huge benefit is that you will not just drop the weight naturally, by the way, but you will keep it off for good. So we will help you understand exactly what foods to consume to balance your blood sugar and get your insulin levels steady. So the ultimate goal here is to lower insulin. That's going to result in tighter skin, less swelling in the face and the neck area. It will surprise you so much to see your before and after images, specifically around the head area. Number 5 is posture and chin activation. Constant phone scrolling actually causes what they are calling tech neck now, and it shortens the front of the neck and lengthens the back of the neck. So what you want to do is sit tall. You want to have your shoulders back and your eyes forward. And if you have to look at your phone, hold your elbow with the other hand while you're looking at it so it's directly in front of your face. You can also do chin tucks. So chin tucks are where you pull your chin straight back, not down, but straight back. You hold for 5 seconds, release, and repeat that about 10 times per day. So you're doing the chicken move, right? Forward and back, holding it there. Number 6 is collagen and cold exposure. After the age of 25, unfortunately, collagen reduces by 1 to 2% per year, and the neck shows it first for most people. So what you could do here is add about 10 grams of collagen peptides daily. You can add it into your coffee or your tea. You can add it into your smoothie. The great thing about collagen is that it dissolves really well and it really has no flavor. You could add vitamin C, maybe some copper into your supplement stack, or you can just get it from foods like kiwi or citrus foods or dark chocolate. I know we'll probably all go for the dark chocolate. Now, lastly, and this one I'm sure is like super exciting for you and very comfortable, but you could finish your showers with cold water, giving about 30 seconds of this cold water directly on your neck, or you could use an ice roller for 2 minutes. It helps to tighten the skin and wake up the mitochondria in that area. Now, if you feel like you need help stabilizing blood sugar swings that make the collagen break down faster, you could consider adding GlucoCut Plus into your morning routine. I actually created GlucoCut Plus to support insulin balance, to reduce cravings, to support fat metabolism, and preserve muscle while you are dropping the fat. It helps to tighten the skin as a result from the inside out. If this interests you, go check out dr.ashley.wellness.com. We'll have it linked in the description for you with a special discount code. When you reset your hydration, your breathing, your posture, and your hormones, your face follows naturally. If you want to multiply these results with a full body metabolism reset, then watch my next video right here. It's the 10-day morning routine to burn fat fast. It is the perfect partner for today's plan, and you'll learn how to activate fat burning hormones before breakfast every day. Just click here to watch it now.